1 second. Oh, I'm really sorry.
Teaching today extends way beyond lecturing from a podium. It's a constant battle against distractions, both for students, you're paying how much a year to play solitaire? And professors. Students are here to listen and learn. Great notes. You gonna remember any of this? And sometimes they're not going to make it to class at all. That's why today's classroom extends beyond the classroom walls. Students need to be able to watch lecture recordings wherever they need to be, whenever they can, over and over, if necessary. Introducing Kaltura Lecture Capture. With just one click, teachers can record every class, use fancy lecture capture hardware, or record from the classroom PC. It all ends up in the same place. Now that's just awesome. With Kaltura's open platform, it doesn't matter if you're in a large auditorium or in a small cooking class. The process is the same. So you can scale up your lecture capture and never miss a class. Students can access any lecture from anywhere, so keep your disgusting germs at home. All this content can be edited, captioned, and organized in the course gallery. Every class, every lecture, right at your fingertips. But that's not all. Kaltura Lecture Capture is integrated with Kaltura's world-leading video management platform, so your lectures can be stored and shared with all your other rich multimedia for one consistent, easy-to-manage cross-campus video experience. Go team! So everyone can access and view your lectures, so you'll enjoy more free time to develop additional lecture content, and maybe even get a new hobby. Have you tried that cooking class? So with all the cats and bunnies being shared around the internet, with Kaltura Lecture Capture, you can start sharing something that's really worth sharing. Just hit record.